Hey everybody, Gene Daughtry. Let me ask you, are you driving an older, higher mileage vehicle that started to smoke when you first started? When you stop at a red light and take off, does your rig smoke a second as you accelerate? Have you noticed less power, less gas mileage, maybe even a little bit of engine noise? Have you looked to see if you're seeping any oil? You know, a drip here, a drip there, maybe the bottom of the engine's kind of getting oil stained. I have something to help all that. JilCat Proline High Performance Engine Oil Stabilizer. This product is born from aerospace engineering and racing technology. It's been used by NASA. It's been used by our military, oil industries, many racing teams over the 3 decades since the product was developed. With a formula, they created a formula that now works in today's higher mileage engines. JilCat Proline can help stop the erosion of your engine performance and the loss of oil and oil pressure. Just replace a quart of oil with a quart of the JilCat engine oil stabilizer and go for a drive on the highway. Run that motor about 50 or 60 miles at highway speed and you will see a difference. You don't need to do anything else. As you drive, the oil stabilizer will bind itself to the metal surfaces, which will cause other elements like sludge to be removed and return to their liquid state. This provides the engine with a clean flow of oil throughout all the moving parts. The electrostatic nature of the molecules in this product cause them to adhere to all the metals, and that removes the friction. It lowers the operating temperature, and that increases the life of the engine. There's other elements in the oil stabilizer that work to unstick things like rings and seals so that your oil bypass will stop and the seeping will slow down. So if you have a higher mileage engine, and I'm talking about 150, 200,000 miles. I've seen engines with up to nearly 300,000 miles. And you're becoming concerned about how that engine's performing. Give JilCat Proline Engine Oil Stabilizer a try. Can't buy it in the stores right now, but you can call 855-825-2111 and you can place an order by phone. Soon we'll have it on the website where you can order that product there. Just have a credit card and an address where you need it shipped and call the number and we'll get an order out to you right away. Thank you very much.